Okay, I was using this hair dryer, brand new out of the pack. I asked a beautician how to use it exactly, and it blew up and caught on fire. First time I had it out of the package, I didn't use it much because I wasn't sure how to use it. But yeah, it's smoking. It's horrible. So yeah, this is my review. Do not buy. Definitely. I mean, look, I didn't even take hadn't even done that. Okay, garbage. Oh, sending it back.
This is what the blow dryer looks like. This is the diffuser attachment, and then this is the other attachment. But this is the attachment I use because I have curly hair. You have off, low, high, cool, warm, hot. I usually do it on warm.
No vents at all. This, where are the vents? Nothing even in the teeth. They're solid. Solid plastic. Old blue trim around the edge, like advertised. Don't know whose diffuser this is, but it was not the one advertised in the pictures.
I think you're gonna start doing that. I'm like, would you be quiet? What the heck?
Why are you concerned about it?